So, look who we've got with us today.
Yeah, we're honoured.
We've got Yogi, our #1 fan.
Yeah.
But more than only one fan, obviously.
Of course, yeah.
And Supersonic Shaun,
One of thousands.
with his 15,000 subscribers.
I know.
Yogi, you're from North London,
Yep.
Harrow,
Barrow, North West London, yeah.
and you've been watching both our channels
Both the channels, yeah.
for a considerable time.
Yes.
Shaun, when did you start? Because you've been going a lot longer than we
Yes.
have, haven't you? Can you remember what year you started?
I started YouTube in 2009,
2009.
and that was more to do because when I used to work, after I finished work, I used to take photographs of property.
Yeah.
So, and I bought one of these 50-foot telescopic poles that you can stick a camera on top.
Right.
So it's like the early stages of early aerial photography, but it never got anywhere because I went. YouTube was still quite young. I didn't really understand how YouTube worked, and then I suppose 2013 when DJI started bringing out
Phantom 1.
a proper Phantom 1, no GPS, nothing.
Yeah. Just a GoPro stuck on it.
Yeah. Amazing to me, but obviously
Yeah.
watching the screen, it was like this, shaking everywhere. And you only had 10 minutes. I lost 2 of those drones
Did
because
you?
you'd have no warning. It went out of battery, it would just disappear.
Yeah.
So, and then 2014, they brought out what I call a proper drone, the Phantom Vision Plus. It had a camera and it had an app. So you could see what you were doing, you could do the videos, the photographs. But in the meantime, I was interested in photographing crop circles.
Oh, yeah. Oh, we got this on the last video, didn't we?
And and it's from that, it just snowballed. You know, I went like 30 people to 500.
Yeah.
But it was obviously in the same process of us moving to Spain. And I think it was 2016 when I used the expat in Mazarron as my channel, and then
So 2016.
yeah.
Which
Yeah.
is not much before, when did we? We started.
It was
what,
2020.
I'm thinking because we came across it in 2017.
But there was nobody here other than Spain Speaks.
Yeah,
And there's another guy that lives in Madrid. He's
with his wife.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Spain-
So
Been revealed.
Spain Revealed. I think they
and
call it.
I think that was about it really on
Yeah,
the
that.
YouTube
Yeah,
side.
just those two.
Pretty lax. And now
So how's it feel, Shaun, to have 15,000
been
subscribers?
a long time.
How long has it taken you?
Years ago, it was just going like nuts, and then when it got to 13,000, and I'm quite a superstitious person, I didn't want it on 30, and it just seemed to drag, and 14,000 drag. Anyway, got there. When I did the live vlogs every day, I started doing the top man, top lady.
Yeah.
And I would read what's on the screen, and all I'd say was top man, top lady.
Yeah, I remember that.
And then somebody said, "Sure, I love the live, but can we just cut out the top man, top lady?" And I thought, yeah, I suppose it would be, it's annoying, isn't it? So that's when I started doing the questions. And I try not to look at what's going on that screen.
Right. I don't know. I quite like the top man. Yeah. I quite like that.
But when you do 15 minutes of it, I can understand it's a bit annoying.
I remember watching your channel. It was probably the first channel that we ever watched in this area in Costa Blanca.
Yeah.
And you used to do your Thursday night live
That's
show.
right, yeah.
And
Yeah.
that went on for a while.
Yeah.
And we always used to watch that, didn't we?
We did, yeah.
We're at 8 o'clock for us in UK.
Yeah.
And every 8 o'clock on Thursday night we'd watching you.
Yeah.
And then we join in with a chat maybe.
Yeah.
It was great.
People keep asking me about, am I going to do another 1 hour live thing?
You don't have to edit.
But you still have to get stuff ready, you know what I mean?
you
You
do,
still have to
Yeah.
get something organised and do a little bit of information.
Yeah, that's the biggest thing about it, isn't it? We've done. I think we've done 5.
Yeah.
like what you did. We call them studio lives.
I did try having like, you have like 2 screens. You got like a picture of yourself, then you can go onto your computer, and then you got a picture of the audience, I suppose.
Yeah.
But I used to press the wrong button.
Yeah.
And I would knock
You do that
myself
a few
off.
times, don't you?
I do that all the
And
time.
I thought, well, I'm not going doing that again.
Yeah.
I'll be honest, I've got no intentions at the moment doing a live like that. Yeah.
Can I give a bit of feedback from a viewer's perspective to
Yeah.
both channels?
Right.
I love the live stream, those sessions, those live sessions, live
Yeah.
studio sessions. And I think from a viewer's perspective, for one who has a desire to come to Spain at some point and do what you guys have done, whether it's living in Spain full time
Yeah.
or doing the 90, 180 piece, it was almost a glimpse into what that life is like. Yeah.
Right.
And solidifying in certainly my mind as to the things to look forward to. Yeah.
Yeah.
Whether it's retiring
Yeah.
or just living 30 days, 90 days there, 90 days back in the UK.
Yeah.
I mean, I've got a few people that just like watching where I am. You know, the obviously it's the sunny weather, and they know they can't come here because they've got some sort of medical condition,
Yeah. Yeah.
financial problem, and it sort of gives them that escape.
Yeah.
Exactly that.
Yeah.
That's exactly
Yeah.
Yeah. We've lots of people that talk to us about, you know, we watch your channel because we feel like we're there.
Yeah.
You know,
exactly.
we're feeling the sunshine. and,
Especially
you
through
know.
COVID times when people couldn't get
Absolutely.
here.
I was going to say,
Yeah.
especially during the COVID time when you were doing it
Yeah.
in the COVID time, and
I mean, it's really strict here. You can't go out at all, really.
But it was from.
Yeah.
But at least you had the weather here.
Yeah.
And it makes
Yeah.
a massive difference because
Definitely.
when you're in the UK and it's dreary and it's cold and it's raining,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
then you have a glimpse into that
Yeah.
1 hour during the week or the 10-minute videos you
Oh,
guys
it's
were
making me
doing.
feel like I've got
It
to do
was-
it again now.
Yes, it is. Absolutely. Absolutely, you should be doing it. It's not just about you; it's about your viewers.
I've got a nice little group. They always, oh, Shaun, we want you back.
Yeah, definitely.
Just not in the mood.
Absolutely.
Not in the mood, guys, yet.
It's got to perform, mate. Got to perform. So yeah, that's my feedback to you guys.
Yeah, that's great.
It's definitely
Yeah.
something that we as I'd like to speak on behalf of both your subscribers.
No, that's
Yeah.
that's what I like about it sometimes, because some people do put over suggestions that I could do. I mean, like with me, a lot of them say, "Oh, Shaun, we like you to go into bars," and I say, "Oh, that's not me. I
Yeah.
can't go in a
Yeah.
bar." And
Well, if everybody did the same thing, it'd be boring.
Well,
wouldn't it?
yeah.
yeah,
Some people are good at doing restaurant reviews.
Yeah,
and,
yeah.
You know,
So when I first came to Torrevieja and I stayed here, I did look at some of your videos and some of the restaurants you had gone into
Yeah.
on the beach area.
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, we do get a lot of people that say,
Yeah.
"Oh, we went into that bar that you
Yeah.
were telling us
Yeah.
about. We enjoyed it or something." But then sometimes people will go and it's closed.
Yeah,
I
that
had-
does that.
I had
That's
breakfast.
happened a few
I
times.
had breakfast at one of those places.
Yeah.
that you'd had
Yeah.
breakfast at.
Yeah.
Which you could, beautiful view of the ocean. And fantastic.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
Sequoia Beach.
Sequoia Beach. Yeah.
Yeah. On Campsall there is some new news. There is a new tech shop.
Oh,
That's
that's
open.
Steve.
Yeah.
Steve.
Yeah,
oh,
that's
you're plugging that, are you?
I'm plugging that.
You're plugging that,
Because I'm a good friend of Steve.
Don't forget, it's called the Tech Shop.
The tech shop.
Yeah, that's.
So,
I'd certainly be calling there if I went
Yeah.
to campus. I know Steve. He's a nice guy, and he's.
yeah.
I saw that the video that he did when he opened his shop,
Yeah, yeah.
and it looks really interesting. I hope he's
Very
doing well with it.
competitive prices. Having bought from there myself.
What's he selling in particular? Is he just what's he majoring on?
So in the main, he's repairing equipment.
All right.
So you know, the iPhones.
Oh, you could do. We could nip across and get your battery sorted out for you.
He does that.
Yeah,
Specialises
put
in that.
yeah, batteries
He can do
in
that for you.
in Apple Macs.
Absolutely. He does repairs Apple Macs.
Yeah.
All different types of high towers as well. The big PC
Yeah,
towers.
that's good. Yeah.
Stuff like that. He does that, and he does house calls, obviously in the Campsall area. He does a really good job.
On May the 4th,
Yeah.
there's a big meeting. It's actually geared towards the 4th anniversary of. It used to be T.Co. It's now Brits living in Spain. and they're just over the road here in San Luis, or La Siesta roundabout, where the business is. And they've decided to celebrate by having a big party on May the 4th. So it'll be a good day if anybody's in the area on
We
the
just
4th.
got to hope it's a sunny day.
Yeah.
Well, May 4th it should be, shouldn't it?
Well, it should be, yeah.
I would
But
think so.
I expect
Chances are good.
99%
Yeah,
it's going to be a sunny day.
I think we've said it all.
Oh, yeah. Don't forget to subscribe and like.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's what I say.
Yeah.
To us.
Yeah. It's a thumbs up if you like the video. Yeah, we've done that one. So thank you very much. It's been great. It's great meeting you, Yogi, because we've had a few little problems meeting, haven't we?
We have, yes.
I think you get the dreaded. You got the dreaded at one point, didn't you? I think you got.
I did, yes, I
So
did.
stops you from
that
coming.
stops you
Yeah.
from coming.
Yeah,
And then I think one time we just missed each other.
correct.
We were just going home and you were just coming on the same
Sure,
day.
Yeah, that's it.
So at last we've done it, and it's been great to see you. Great to meet you. Nice to see you again, Shaun.
I'll tell
And,
you guys.
But we'll sign off and we'll see you later.
See you later.
Bye.